Levira, launch the Megazord!
Yes, sire! Deploying the mighty Armada Megazord!
Are you kidding me? He has his own Megazord?
Guys, be ready for anything.
As if you're the only ones with this technology? With this almighty weapon, nothing can stand between me and my triumph!
Summon Skyship!
Summon Q-Rex Sword!
Swords combined! Legendary Megazord, ready!
Q-Rex Dinozord, ready!
Guys, we need to go all out. Who knows what that machine is capable of?
Oh, you'll find out!
Then we better shift into gear.
Activating Turbo Falcon! Engine cell! Turbo Falcon, Mach speed! Oh, please, is that all you've got? You can't defeat what you can't hit, Rangers!
Impossible! It's so fast!
Don't worry, we've got more keys.
I warned you! So brace yourselves because I'm unstoppable!
We'll put that to the test. Orion, let's join together.
You got it!
Megazords, combine! Legendary Q-Rex Megazord, ready! You fools are deluded if you think that piece of junk will cause any damage. My armor's indestructible.
Evasive maneuvers!
Armada arrow fire! Soon you will be powerless to stop me.
That thing is too strong!
This is crazy!
What do we do now?
Gotta find a weak spot.
So, what's the plan?
Think quick, because our legendary power is fading fast.
Orion's right. We can't hold this combination much longer.
Game over, Rangers! Armada Galactic Strike!
Brace yourself!
Fire!
The Megazord can't take much more! You guys have to eject! I'll finish this alone!
No!
No!
We can't leave the Earth without any Rangers to defend it!
But Troy, we can't abandon you.
Please! You've got to go now!
They're already on the ropes and I'm not even at full power!
Emergency eject sequence! Activate!
I will destroy you!
Troy, no!
Yes! One Ranger gone! Now I'll hunt down the rest and then the Earth will bow down to me! What goes around comes around! Be prepared to be annihilated!
Activate Megazord!
Ready! You can attack with everything you've got, but you're no match for me!
Let's blitz them! Mystic Dragon Zord, activate!
Ancient power, Mystic Spell Seal! Is that all you've got? Pathetic!
Don't let up!
Ninja Zord, activate! Star Blazer! Nice try!
Activating Turbo Falcon!
Face it, Rangers. I win, you lose.
I won't let you take this planet too.
You don't have a choice.
You couldn't be more wrong! You always have a choice!
That's right. And ours is to never give up.
That's the difference. That's why we will win.
Because we keep going until we find a way.
Exactly. We're the Power Rangers for a reason. and evil will never prevail.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Rangers. Your incredible bravery and perseverance have unlocked the ultimate Megazord combination.
I choose that.
Let's see what it can do.
Together!
Ultimate powers combined!
What? What's happening? Ah, my eyes!
Ultimate engine cell!
Ready, guys? Let's go for the ultimate combination.
Ultimate legendary Megazord, activate! Ultimate legendary Megazord, ready!
Whoa! What power!
Yeah! The strength of this ultimate Megazord is enough to go toe-to-toe with the Prince and then some!
Oh, I'm scared. That thing's about to become scrap metal.
Let's shut him up!
You really think you can beat me with that tin can? I'll destroy you all and lay waste to your planet.
Missiles, locked and loaded!
No! Can't dodge them!
Drill strike!
You can't beat me! I am the almighty Prince Vekar!
Let's finally rid the Earth of this creep!
Super Mega Final Strike! Flying Fist!
Impossible! No, no, no! This can't be happening! This was supposed to be my big moment, not yours!
Super Mega Rangers, that's a Super Mega win!
Oh, the prince is gone? Now what?
Now, we avenge him. I'm sorry, Prince Vekar. I failed you. It's all my fault. I shouldn't have let you fight on your own. But I will make those Rangers pay.